Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make flashing text in Premiere Pro. So let's just start with selecting a photo. I'm selecting this photo. As you can see, I'm selecting this photo, and now I'm gonna select a text. Just gonna write a text here. After selecting the text, just adjust the text where you need to put the text. Like this. You can now just edit the text by clicking on this arrow icon. You can edit the color of the text. I'm going to match the color. Click on OK. Now I'm going to change the font. Like this. Now here you can see the font text clip. I'm going to reduce it like this. Now you need to just copy this multiple times and make a gap between the copies. So just select the Alt key and drag it. Just like do as I did this. Just like this. You can make the gap a little if you want to make the flash more showing. Let's just make it more like this. Let's just copy it again. And make it like this. Now you can check it. Here you can see there is a flashing text right here. So guys, that's how you can make a flashing text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.